Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Slimline Cityscape die set. Now, the die set comes with 8 dies but cuts out 15 separate pieces. And the Cityscape and Curvy Road measure 8.5 inches long. The vehicles are 1 die that cuts out 5 separate pieces. And the vehicles measure approximately 3/4 of an inch in length. We have 2 airplanes, a side view and a top view, plus 2 cloud dies that cut out 6 separate pieces. Now, you're going to want to be sure you check out the new tree assortment die set to go with this. It's definitely on my wish list. Here's a quick sample for you. If you want to see more featuring the new Slimline Cityscape, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog or follow us on Instagram. Be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to ring that bell for new content. Until next time, take care.